Today, my friends and I are demonstrating the Easter What's Missing challenge. Before we play the game, I read or teach the story from one of my favorite children's Bibles. Then we are ready to play. Have a good look. We've got a palm leaf, we've got a rooster, garden, Pilate and Jesus, the donkey, some silver coins, some feet being washed, and some wine and some bread. Notice how I went through each picture first. This helps with audio and visual memory. Now I'm going to take one away, and then you're going to try to figure out which one. Tell me which one you think is missing, okay? Which one is missing?
The wine! The wine!
The wine and the bread. Yes, you're exactly right. So who can tell me what the bread symbolizes?
The bread stands for his body and the wine stands for his blood.
Yes, that's well done. Here I'm asking them about the pictures. This is one way to reinforce what they've learned and to give positive feedback. Tell me which one's missing.
Oh, the donkey!
Oh, the donkey! Well done! Does anybody remember? Well done.
He rode to Jerusalem on the donkey.
That's right. Well done. You did so good. Okay, does someone want to lead the game?
Me! He really wants to sit.
Okay, you come on, you sit in my spot.
Take one away and don't show.
Okay, you take one away, and then we'll try to figure out which one's missing. Turn it around, turn it around, turn it around. Okay, what's missing?
The bread and wine.
Well done! Here you can see how easy it is for very young children to be successful and lead the game too. Oh, what's missing?
The chicken. Yes. The rooster. The rooster.
Tell me about the rooster. What did the rooster?
Before the rooster, he guessed that Peter would deny him 3 times.
That's right. Well done. Now we're going to do the second half of the story now. Okay, so this is the first half of the story of the Easter events. I often play this game in 2 parts of 8 pictures. This makes it easier to play. I can use less or more pictures depending on which parts of the story I want to focus on in my lesson. What we have is we've got the empty tomb with the angels. Yep. We've got Jesus going up to heaven in the clouds. Then here, what does that say?
He has risen.
That's the message that was out when he rose again. And then, do you remember what this one said?
The fire, because the Holy Spirit had come.
That's right. Okay, so I'm going to take one away. We'll take one away. Let's see. What did I take away?
Soldier at the soldier.
The soldier at the tomb. Yes, well done. To make this game, all you need is a baking tray or a magnetic whiteboard. Here I'm using pictures downloaded from my website. I laminated them, cut them apart, and then added magnetic tape to the back of each picture. There is a larger size for teaching purposes and a smaller size for a take-home game. I also have a black line version that kids can use as a coloring sheet and a game to take home. You can also use these same pictures for the good old-fashioned memory game. You would just make double copies of the pages.
Okay.
Oh, you're on a roll.
This one.
No, I just
I think she might finish it off.
Oh,
she Okay, what's missing?
Feet. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus going up to heaven.